You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because you're playing by their rules. You see, the rules they taught you at work, in school, and even from your family are meant for you to survive, not to thrive. So, until you wake up, you're still stuck in that same financial trap. Before we start, let me break down their rules for you. You're told to go to school, get good grades, and get a job. Then work 40 hours a week, save a little. Finally, you then retire at 67 and then hope you have enough to live on. Now, this is the path they've told us we're safe. Well, guess what? This is a system that was built many years ago for factories and pension. But today, it is outdated and broken. And I'm sure this is leaving you broke, stressed, or wondering what went wrong. Here's the twist. While you're working hard, saving pennies and avoiding risk, they are making money off you. Banks profit from your loans. Corporations out there profit from your attention. And you know the worst thing about this? The system encourages you to keep spending. They tell you to treat yourself after a hard day, and then they decide to sell you something you don't need with money you don't have. This is not financial freedom. This is financial slavery disguised in comfort. Here's the thing. The wealthy don't play by the rules. They own assets and leverage money. They use tax code, business structure, and network you've never heard about. Do you know why? Because they write the rules. And while you're busy working for money, they're using money to work for them. You see, they don't trade time for income, they use a system. They have real estate, investment, online businesses, intellectual property. The game is not fair, but once you start to see the game, you can then stop being in the losing side. So, how do you break free and stop following their script? I want you to learn new rules and build multiple source of income stream. So start that business, learn about money, invest not just in stocks, but also in skills, ideas, and platform. And the most important thing I want you to do is question everything you have been told. Because success today is not all about title, it is about freedom. This is time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom. So, you're not broke because you're not smart. You're broke because you're still playing a game designed for you to lose. But here's the good news, you don't have to anymore starting from today. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next one.